Hello and welcome to Chic Spaces. Today we are here to give you a tour of our gorgeous 3 BHK located in a beautiful community called Honer Aquantis.
This apartment is an amalgamation of minimalism and luxury.
The bedrooms in this house are very calm and soothing. Master bedroom has got a mirror glass profile door which also acts as a dresser area.
The common areas are beautifully accentuated with a very chic puja room design, partition and false ceilings, and much more.
My favorite part of the house is definitely the well-crafted, well-thought puja room door design.
And mine is the gorgeous pastel colored kitchen.
What is yours? Do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space.